Hello traders, the title of the video is a secret of combining Fibonacci and breakout trading. This video is for active Fibonacci breakout traders. Initially, ordinary breakout traders look for high probability trade setup above a prior high or below a prior significant lows. Well, those are not the only place where one can identify breakout trading signal. That is when it becomes necessary that one combine Fibonacci extensions and breakout trading. At the Pro Traders YouTube channel, we taught Fibonacci traders how to locate in a timely fashion powerful breakout trading opportunities above specific Fibonacci extension levels. The Fibonacci extension level to watch are 161.8%, then 261.8%, or 361.8%. The general rule is that any Fibonacci extension with 61.8% are suitable for those breakout trading setup. As always, one is expecting a retest of those Fibonacci extension, and one will implement a top-down trading method to control the risk. Note that reversal that occur at those specific Fibonacci extension level are the negation of a normal breakout. I hope I have managed to open your eyes on how to combine Fibonacci extension and breakout trading today. If you like this video tutorial, please give us the thumbs up. If you say, George, that is another nonsense, mark it down and share it if your understanding has increased. Subscribe to Day Pro Traders before it is too late because it is still free. Click on the notification bell to know more about Fibonacci extensions and breakout trading. Check our website, dayprotraders.com. Thank you for putting up with me today. Happy trading to you all.